Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable automatic drying on your DJI ROMO. To do it, you can click on the settings in top right corner, then go to base station settings and find dry section, and now you can enable auto drying, which will automatically dry the mop pads after cleaning, or you can also enable dust box drying. That will automatically dry the dust box after a cleaning task. If you disable those, then you can manually dry by clicking on the base station button in the bottom left corner on the main page, and then find dry, and it'll start drying. I will actually end it. And that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.